Hello friends, I'm Brigadier Sushil Bhasin from Mumbai. I'm a speaker, trainer and an author. I speak on subjects related to military leadership, and here I am talking as an army logistician. Are you aware of this fantastic conference coming up in Bangalore called the Technology Supply Chain Conference 2019, which is being conducted at Courtyard by Marriott in Bangalore on 11th and 12th April 2019. I am excited to be speaking on leaders in logistics, today's challenges, tomorrow's trends, and how to navigate them in this VUCA world. For 10 years we have been talking about VUCA world, and today it has been amplified by disruption, diversion and digital, making it a VUCA D3 world. Logistics in one way have become simplified and another way complicated because of the complex technology that has taken over. There is a shift from the normal logistics that were happening in this world and now how they happen with technology. Would you like to join us and see how 50 plus experts in technology and logistics strive to make it a great experience for you? You'll come to this conference with one idea and you'll drive back home crazy with multiple ideas. So see you there in Bangalore on 11th, 12th April at the Technology Supply Chain Conference 2019. Thank you.